Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland. It's February 28th, and yeah, it might sound crazy, but we're going to give it a try. We're going to start an early flower garden here. I mean, last year we did a thing with some vegetables. This year we're going to do it with some flowers. Check this out. I think we actually have some tulips starting to emerge. I don't know. It's warm up there. It's the soil temperature 50 degrees right there. Well, maybe. I don't know. Something looks like it's popping. But we're going to start stuff from seed. Try to save a little bit of money. Have some fun. Let me show you what we're doing here. Let's go over here. Oh, right there. That's cool. All right, so this is what we're going to try here in the back in some starter pots. We got some black-eyed Susans, and we've got some old-fashioned garden mix. And you know what? I wanted to try some impatiens, but these are delicate, and we have put them in a cat house. Yeah, I was like, it wasn't being used right now, and I was like, maybe that could be a makeshift greenhouse. Yeah, let's see what happens. We got it pointed toward the south. Should get some solar radiation, particularly bouncing off the metal shed here. So let's see what happens. Thanks for watching, and we're going to put this into the playlist Escape from the Madness.